Well, good Tuesday afternoon to you. Lord of mercy, it's Dan. I want to welcome y'all to my home in the sticks. I hope everybody's having a showing off good Tuesday, but I'm here to tell you, in East Central Mississippi, it's showing off hot. I mean, that red ball up in the sky, Lord, it's hot. Today's video is going to be something a little bit different. I got a Walmart haul I want to share with you. Yeah, a Walmart haul. So give me a second, and that's what we fitting to do. All right, here we go, you and y'all. What I'm gonna say is, earlier today, somebody that I work with came into work and she showed me something that she bought from the Walmart. And it was a container of Osmocote, indoor-outdoor flower fertilizer. I was like, oh yeah, that's some good stuff. I was like, well, how much you pay for it? She's like, $1. I was like, holy cow. So anyway, she said Walmart's got a big sale on all of their gardening stuff, fertilizer including. So guess where I went? I wrote everything down. I'm gonna show you my receipt and I'm gonna show you, I think it's a showing of a good deal. This is actually the first time I went into the Walmart and left and actually felt like I made out pretty good, spending money wise. But let me show you. There's my receipt. And I ended up paying $15.36. Disregard these last two items right here because they had some barbecue seasoning on sale and I just couldn't pass it up. So we're going to disregard this $4 right here. But let's move into this stuff right here. And I broke it all down. This is Jobe's all-purpose granular fertilizer. This stuff is regular $7.50. Paid $1 for it. Jobe's organic annual and perennial plant food. This is $7.50 a bag. Paid $1 for it. Jobe's organic bone meal, and this is some really good stuff. I use it all the time. This stuff is $9 a bag. Pay $1 for it. Jobe's organic vegetable and tomato granular plant food. Hey Mark, I found some. This stuff is $7.50 a bag here in Philadelphia and Neshoba County. I bought 2 bags, $1 each, so I spent $2. I've used this stuff before, Jobe's organic berry, organic plant food. This is what I use for my blueberries and my blackberries. This is $7.50 a bag, paid $1 for it. I've used this stuff in the past as well, and this was the Miracle-Gro liquid feed, the bloom booster. It's good for flowers and whatnot. Used this before, and this stuff is, I want to say $7.50 for 2 of them. Pay $2 for them, $1 a piece. And lastly, but not leastly, is this Osmocote. And this is the Osmocote Plus, the indoor and outdoor. This stuff will fertilize for 6 months. This is a 15-9-12, so this is some pretty good stuff. This stuff is regular $10 a bottle. Pay $1 for it. So that's my sure enough Walmart haul. Gardening center over at my local Walmart had a sure enough clearance on a bunch of their Jobe's products. And all of these are really good products. I've used them before. Hey, can't beat that. So what I did was I did some tallying up, and for all of the stuff that I bought in this corner right on this column right here, if I just went regular, if these were regularly as marked, I would have paid $68.48 for that stuff right there, regular price. And this is with tax. I spent a total of $10 for all of that, and it came out to $10.07 with tax. Well, I'm gonna say that's a $50 savings and some sure enough good fertilizer. I was just tickled pink when I actually went in there and saw that they had some stuff left. So y'all, this is gonna be a, whoo Lord, it is warm here. This is gonna be a short video today. I have a bunch of stuff that I need to get done because I'm actually on call for the next week. So I gotta be constantly listening for my my police phone to go off. But anyways, that's not here nor there. I got a bunch of stuff I gotta do over here. I wanted to show you what I got over at the Walmart, little Walmart haul. Gardening Center had a really good sale going on, because what they're doing is they're trying to get all of the gardening stuff out to move in all of the Christmas stuff, Christmas and Halloween stuff. So they're just marking down stuff left and right. So if you have a local Walmart near you, it would behoove you to go over there and check out their gardening center, especially if you like Jobe fertilizers. I actually do, been using them for several years now, and I think it's good stuff. It's worked for me. So you need to go on over to your local Walmart and check out the gardening center and see what they have on clearance, because you can get some really good deals. I was really surprised when I seen that bone meal for, I think it was $2 for the bag. It's normally like, I don't know, 8 or 9. Gotta shop, gotta save that money. So y'all, again, I hope everybody's having a sure enough good Tuesday. And if you like this video, Lord of mercy, go on and give it a thumbs up to help. If you haven't subscribed to the Homeless Six channel, y'all need to come on over and give me a look, because I'm always doing stuff. Really. With that being said, you know it's coming. Dan Redford showing up. I always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody. You sure enough get your shine on. Especially when you can get your sure enough Walmart garden center haul going on, fertilizer wise. And we will see you and y'all in the next video.